Let's begin. Namaste and welcome to day 5 of October Yoga Challenge. So let's start. We start with by making a humming sound 3 times. Okay. So sit with your eyes closed. Take a normal breath in. Breathe out. Take a deep breath in and breathe out completely. Breathe in for making a humming sound. Relax. Feel the vibration inside your body. Slowly and gently open your eyes. So we will do Kapalbhati Pranayam. So I hope those who have done on the day 1, you remember how to do Kapalbhati, but still I'll give you instruction. What we do is in Kapalbhati, we forcefully breathe out. While breathing out, we pull our navel in, and then breathing in is automatic, normal breathing in. Automatically it will come in. So we do it for 20 breaths like this, but not so fast. We'll do it slowly. Breathe out, pull your navel in, and then breathe in automatic. Okay. So let's begin. We will do it for 20 breaths in each round. So 3 rounds will do. Let's close your eyes. Take a normal breath in. Breathe out. With a smile on your face. Breathe in for Kapalbhati. Relax. Feel the sensation inside the body. Wherever your mind is, bring back to this moment, here and now. Let's continue with second round of Kapalbhati. Take a normal breath in. Breathe out. Take a deep breath in and start. Relax. Feel the sensation inside the body, on your face region, frontal lobe of your head. Let's continue with third round of Kapalbhati. Take a normal breath in. Breathe out. Breathe in for Kapalbhati. Relax. Feel the sensation inside the body. With a smile on your face. Slowly and gently open your eyes. Okay. So some of you in the group also requested for facial yoga. And many of us are working from home nowadays, sitting continuously in front of the computer. So when we learn this, we can do any time in the day, just 2-3 minutes, you can do this. So how we start is this: place the palms on your head, press and rotate it clockwise, massage your head, nice massage to your head, increase the blood circulation on that area. Don't be too soft, don't worry about your hair, massage it. Then place the right palm in front and left palm behind the back and massage front and back. Press it a bit harder and then clockwise and anti-clockwise. And now on both the sides. Massage on both the sides. Back. Good. Now with the help of your middle finger, index finger and the ring finger, place it on your forehead. From between, you come out slowly, massaging your forehead. And come to your temple region. Have a nice massage there. Now with the help of your thumb and your index finger, massage your eyebrows. Press it, slowly move it out. Massage it. Move it out slowly. Now let's go to the ear. Pull your ear from the bottom. Pull it, pull it. Pull, 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 pull. And then from the top. Pull your ear from the top. Pull, pull, pull. From the side. Pull it harder. Pull, pull. Hold your whole ear. By pulling it, move it clockwise. Pull and move it clockwise. Anti-clockwise. And relax. Palms on your thighs. Now let's do with the eyes. Look at your right side, on your right wall. Look to the right side. And now slowly look to the left wall. Once again to the right and to the left. Now slowly look at the ceiling, keeping your head normal at the center. Look at the ceiling. And look down in front of your leg. Now let's rotate clockwise. Rotate your eyes clockwise, up, down, right, left, anti-clockwise. Now squeeze your eyes, squeeze, and open it wide. Squeeze, open it wide. Squeeze, open it wide. Let's massage your nostril on both the sides. below the ear with the help of the index finger, below the eyes, sorry, below the eye, like this. Now take your index finger and middle finger and place it at the joint of your jaw and massage is there. If there is a knot there, just try to open that knot. Give a good massage. And slowly bring your fingers down to the whole jaw. Now open your mouth wide. Close, open, close, open, close. Now let's move our jaw left and right. And relax. Just close your eyes for a few seconds and notice the sensation around your face region. All the facial muscles have got activated. Feel that sensation. Now let's move to the neck. This exercise we can do anytime in the day. Just while sitting on your computer, in front of the computer, you can do it. Now breathing in, take your head up. And breathing out, chin to the chest. Once again, breathing in, take your head up. And breathing out, chin to the chest. Breathing in from your right hand back. And breathing out, left and front. Make a nice circle with your neck. And keep a smile on your face. Enjoy each and every moment. Once you complete this round, reverse the direction. Breathing in left and back and breathing out right and front. And relax. Slowly come back to the center. Now gently place both the palms on your shoulder. Join your elbows in front of the chest. Breathing in, take your arms up. And breathing out, back and down. Breathing in, front and up. And breathing out, back and down. Make a nice circle. Open up your shoulder. And once you complete this round, reverse the direction. Reverse the direction. And relax. Now spread your arms on both the sides. Keeping your head facing the camera or facing the front, just move your arms on both the sides. Move your arms. Align your spine. Slowly take your arms up while aligning it, keeping your face facing the front. Only the arms are moving on both the sides. Go up and interlace the finger. Stretch both the arms, stretch up, stretch your spine nicely. Relax the hold and once again start moving down. Okay, very good. So we have aligned the spine. Now let's rock like a pendulum, left and right. Left and right. Place the palms on the ground. Now slowly start placing the elbows also on the ground. But make sure both the hips are touching the mat or touching the ground. And then breathing in, lift up your left arm. Stretch your left arm. Breathing out, come back to the center. On the other side, give a nice stretch. Again to the right, left. Once again, right and left. Relax. Now let's take our finger and slowly stand up. Stand up. Before we move into the asana, let's do some warm-up exercises. So I hope you all remember the jumping jacks, but listen to your body. If you feel jumping jack is difficult for you, you can do 2-3 sets only. But those who can, do it well. Once we spread the leg, we join our palms together on top. This is the position number 1. This is 2. Okay. Start. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Relax. Breathe in from your nose and breathe out through the mouth. Now let's do high knee. For the high knee, what you do is make a thumb, make a fist with your thumb, with your palms and thumbs facing up. And you're bringing your thighs closer to the fist. Your arms is not going down, only the thighs are coming up. And we can make a sound as if we are riding a horse. Come on. Relax. Breathe in from your nose and breathe out through the mouth. Catch up few breaths. So follow the 3 key rules which we discussed. The first rule is we'll put some effort to come to the asana and then relax in the asana, relax in the posture. The second one is awareness on the breath. And the third is attention on the stretched body part. Whatever body part is stretched, just bring your attention there. Breathing in, take your arms up, interlace the finger, palms facing the sky. Slowly come up on your toes. Stay there, continue breathing. Look at a single point in front of you, you'll be able to hold. And breathing out, relax. Now breathing in, lift up your left arm up, stretch your left arm up, and breathing out, drop your right palm to the right knee and look at your left palm. Look at your left palm. Breathing in, slowly come up, and breathing out, relax your arms. Let's do it with the other arm. Breathing in, lift up your right arm up. Stretch your right arm up, and breathing out, drop your left palm and look at your right palm. You're not coming forward like this. Body should be in one plane. Feel the compression on the left side and the stretch on the right side. With a smile on your face. Breathing in, slowly come up, and breathing out, relax. Let's do Kati Chakra Asana. For the Kati Chakra, breathing in, take your arms in front as if there is a nice big new iPhone box in your hand. Okay. So don't let the box fall down. Breathing out, turn to your right side, keeping the box intact. And look over your right shoulder. Breathing in, come back to the center. And breathing out to the right side. Look over your right shoulder. Breathing in, come back to the center. Breathing out, relax. So let's do Hasta Uttanasana. Breathing in, take your arms up. Hips forward, head back. Give a nice stretch. Attention should be on your stretch. Continue breathing. Do not hold the breath. Breathing out, slowly come back to the center and stretch your arms over the head. And let's do Hasta Padasana, the forward bend. Breathing out, bend from your waist, keeping your back straight. Go down as much as you can. Keeping your back straight, go down. Listen to your body. Go down. And once you come down, you hold both the arms and rock your body left and right. Improve the flexibility of your back, lower back. But listen to your body. Don't overstretch. Do as much as you can. After rocking, let's try to hold the big toe only if you can. If you can hold only here, you just hold here. Hold the big toe. Breathing in, straighten your back. And breathing out, just go closer to the knee. And ankles coming out. Your elbows are going out like this. Breathing in, straighten your back. And breathing out, go closer to your knee. Listen to your body. Do as much as you can. Do not overstretch or overdo. From here, breathing in, slowly come up. And breathing out, relax. Okay. Let's quickly do one round of Surya Namaskar in a good pace with a count. Breathe in and out. Namaste. 1, 2, 3, 4 right, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 right, 10, 11, 12. Back to Namaste. Breathe in and out. Namaste. 1, 2, 3, 4 left, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 left, 10, 11, 12. Very good. So Surya Namaskar can be done slowly or faster. When you do it slowly, it helps in muscle toning. And when you do it faster, it is a cardio exercise. Okay. So let's sit down in our favorite posture, imaginary chair pose, Utkatasana. Go down, go down, 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 and sit down. Join your feet together. Bring it close to the body, as close as possible. Let's do a quick butterfly. Clap your legs. Faster, faster, faster. Clap it faster. Relax. And now slowly go into the cat stretch. So it's time now. We will do cat and dog today. So palms below the shoulder, knees below the hips. Breathing in, take your head up and your navel down. Breathing out, chin to the chest. Make a hump with your back like a camel. And breathing in, make an arch. Your head goes up and your navel down. Breathing out, chin goes to the chest and make a hump with your back. Continue for a few more breaths. And breathing in, relax. From the cat, let's move to the dog, the downward facing dog, which we do in Surya Namaskar also. Lift up your knees and touch your heels to the ground and bring your chest closer to your thigh. Make a perfect V. When the dog stretches its back, it's just like this, the downward facing dog. From the downward facing dog, we will move to the upward facing dog. But for those who it is difficult, you may just lie down on your mat first, on your stomach, and then come to the upward facing dog. For those who can do, They can slowly go down like this and come up in upward facing dog. Listen to the instruction. Depending upon your body, you can do it. This is upward facing dog. Give a nice stretch. And slowly back to the downward facing dog. From here, gently place the knees on the ground in a normal tabletop position. Here we will become a naughty dog. So what does the naughty dog does? Lifts the left leg. Lifts the left leg and enjoys for a few seconds. And then let's lift the right leg. Relax. From here, slowly go back and sit in Vajrasana. Sit in Vajrasana. Slide your palms in front of your leg and slowly go down in Shishvasana, the child pose. Touch your forehead to the ground, but make sure your hips are still touching the heels. If they are not, you may make a fist like this below the head and then relax. From here, gently lie down on your stomach. Go down to your stomach. Palms by the side of your body. Make a fist with both the palms by putting a thumb inside the forefinger, like this. And then place it below the thighs. Below the thigh, near the groin region, and lift both the legs. Stretch both the legs. Lift up. Take few breaths here. Enjoy the posture. Breathing out, slowly go down. Slide your palms and bring it below the shoulder. Below the shoulder. Here, slowly breathing in, lift up vertebra by vertebra, the upper half of your body. In cobra pose. Breathing out, slowly go down. Stretch your arms over the head. And breathing in, slowly come up with Superman or a Superwoman posture. Fly high. Breathing out, relax. Bend your knees, hold the ankle, and come to Dhanurasana, the bow posture. Lift up the upper half of your body and your thighs. And breathing out, relax. Gently flip over to your back from here. Flip over to your back. And now, slowly lift up both the legs. Lift up both the legs. And from here, slowly lift up your arms and go closer to your leg. Do as much as you can. This is again our abdominal exercise. Stay there, continue breathing, do not hold the breath. And breathing out, slowly go down. If some posture you might find difficult, it's fine. You may avoid it. Now let's do knee to chest press. Lift both the legs up, bend both the knees, bring it close to the chest, as close as possible. Hold both the knees. Once again, breathe in and then breathing out. Bring your nose between the knee and squeeze your body as if you're a small atom. and move your body forward and backward. Give a good massage to your back. Relax your head on the ground first, and then you may rock sideways, left and right. Give a massage to your lower back now. Now gently straighten your leg. Let's do Natarajasana here. Spread both the arms on both the side of the body, perpendicular to the body. Listen to the instruction carefully. Bend your right leg. Place your right foot on your left knee. With the help of the left palm, take your right leg to the left side of the body and you are facing the right palm. Lying down, spinal twist. Breathing in, relax the stretch. And breathing out, straighten your leg. Let's do it with the other leg. Bend your left leg. Place your left foot on your right knee. With the help of the right palm, take your left leg to the right side of the body. And look at your left palm. Enjoy the twists. Breathing in, relax the stretch. And breathing out, straighten your leg. Palms by the side of your body. Let's do final relaxation here. For the final relaxation, what we will do here is we will be breathing in, tightening our whole body by holding the breath, and then breathing out, making a sound ha like that. What we do is take a normal breath in first, take a normal breath in, breathe out, take a deep breath in, tighten your feet, lower leg, thighs, make a fist, abdomen, chest, throat, face, hold, and ha! Relax and let go. Let's do it one more time. Normal breath in, breathe out. Take a deep breath in. Tighten your feet, lower leg, thighs, make a fist, abdomen, chest, throat, face, hold, and ha! Relax. Drop your whole body weight to the ground. Let the body dissolve into the Mother Earth. Let your mind dissolve into the space. Gently bring your attention to the right foot. Right lower leg and knee. Right thigh and hip. Whole of your right leg. Gently move your attention to the left foot. Left lower leg and knee. Left thigh and hip. Whole of your left leg. Attention on your genital region, abdomen, stomach near navel region, chest near the heart, right shoulder, whole of your right arm, left shoulder, whole of your left arm, neck and throat region, face, forehead, top of the head, the whole body. Bring your attention to the whole body. Gently turn to the right side. Keeping your eyes closed, taking support of your arms, slowly sit up. Gently sit in normal cross leg position. Now from here, let's do the Shitli Pranayama. So how we do Shitli Pranayama is, we make a straw with the help of our tongue. We breathe in from the mouth with the straw and then close our mouth and breathe out from the nose. I'll show you once like this. Make a straw with your tongue. Close the mouth and breathe out from the nose. This pranayam helps to cool the system. Okay. So let's begin together. We will do at least 4 to 5 breaths. Okay. Make a straw with your tongue and start. Breathe out slowly. And relax. Let go. Just sit with your eyes closed. with your spine erect, body relax and loose. Listen to the sound all around yourself. Sound of the music, sound of the aircon, and sound of the kids. Be at ease with them. Be in harmony with all the sound around you. And you bring the attention to your whole body. Bring the attention to your breath. Breath is going in and out, keeping your body alive. Keeping the attention on your breath. Relax for a few minutes, 2 to 3 minutes. Breathe in with a smile. Slowly breathe out with a smile on your face. Become aware of your body and the surroundings. You may slowly and gently open your eyes. With this, we conclude the session for the day 5. But the ultimate goal of all this pranayam, asana, and everything is to go deep into the meditation. So those who feel, okay, you're feeling calm and relaxed now and you want to meditate for a few more minutes, just sit with your eyes closed. I can understand those who are with kids, the kids will not allow to do that. But those who are alone, you may just sit for 10 minutes on your own. It's very good to sit after all these yoga practices and pranayams and relax for 10 minutes. That's all for today. See you all tomorrow. Bye bye. Signing off for today.